Hello, my dear valued viewers. This video is about 21st September 2023 pre-market analysis, which is a complete pre-market analysis marked with more safety risk reward areas. Okay, more safety risk reward areas in the sense when you enter that area, there is no immediate support or resistance. Okay, when you choose that type of areas and you stay at that areas, when the price comes there, made a bearish candle there, then you can enter the market without thinking much. All your thinking will be done in the pre-market areas. Once you do the pre-market analysis and you mark the levels, you have to be disciplined to take the trade at those levels only. However, it may be tempting to take the trade in any situation. No, not like that. You have to stay with your plan and implement your plan, whether it is a profit giving one or a loss giving one, no matter. When you follow this type of certain procedure, in the long run you will be in profits. When you skip this procedure and uh, doing and taking trades depending upon your emotions, feelings, or revenge trades, not planning trades that will give you some profits now, but you are going to wipe out in the long run. This channel and me here to be in the long run to serve you as a trainer, as a YouTuber, as a day trader. If you like my words and you feel trust within yourself about me and my channel, you can subscribe my channel because trust is money here. Okay? First, I earn the trust and then I earn the money from the YouTube. This is how I have a principle today onwards. Now, let's get into the pre-market analysis. Pre-market analysis, I always start with the daily time frame because when you are aligned with the daily time frame, there are higher chances to take your trades in the right direction. Now see here, maybe this is looking so clumsy, but this is how the trading works. When you understand the each and level here, marked here, and if you don't know about it, you can attend my webinar and you can know the complete system of the CPR pivot points. And if you want to know the free class for you, I am going to schedule a Zoom free class for you so that once you gain the trust on me and my system, you can come to my paid webinar. So, see, what are these lines? These lines are swing highs and swing lows. Okay, when the price comes to these areas, swing lows, see there is a rejection here. This is how swing highs and swing lows operate. And the blue line here, blue area here is the gap border. This is the gap border from today I have marked. And this is the virgin CPR. I'm going to explain this. And if you see here, one important thing you have to consider is this 20 EMA. Why I am saying this 20 EMA? Because when tomorrow there is a bearish day and the price comes, there is a bearish day and the price comes to the 20 EMA, there are two chances to face as day traders. The first chance is the price may shoot up because it is taking support at the 20 EMA, or the price or the overall sentiment is negative, there are chances to the price to break this 20 EMA. I hope you understand the importance of the 20 EMA in the daily time frame. So be cautious while trading in Bank Nifty. If it is a big bearish day, if you enter in the mode of bearish with the bearish view, if you enter, you can have big profits, but it should be done really cautiously. Okay, now let's go to the 30-minute time frame and explain these things a bit more. Okay, let's go to the 30-minute time frame. So see here, this is the gap border, today's gap border, and I have marked this with the blue line. Okay, this is the virgin CPR from yesterday. See, This is the virgin CPR. There is no candles inside it. So I have marked the virgin CPR and the gap order. Why I have marked the gap order here? Because gap orders are acting as a strong resistance, because the trend is in downtrend in Bank Nifty. When price comes to this area, there is higher chances to the rejection of the price. Okay, and see here, these are the demand zones. This is the demand zone from 13th September, because at this point the price took support and made a big trending day. So this is taking, let's take it as a demand zone. When price comes here on this day, that means 20th September, see there is a bounce back from here. This is how demand zones operate. Now there is another immediate demand zone here. This is the demand zone. When price comes here, again it is moving in upward direction, even though it has stayed some sideways action. I feel like this is a, no, I don't feel like, the system says that this is the demand zone. Okay, so I have marked these levels here. Now this is the virgin CPR here. Why I have marked this virgin CPR? Because the trend is in the downtrend, Nifty and Bank Nifty. There are higher chances to open the indices in a gap down. When gap down happens, we have to be very cautious about what are the levels over there. For example, if the price opens at this area and it is getting rejected from the demand zone, I would not enter the trade, because there is an immediate support of virgin CPR. Most traders say that narrow virgin CPR, that means this small narrow virgin CPR is not so powerful, but as per my backtesting data, I feel like there is a great potential to the virgin CPR. Okay, so I didn't enter the trade at this moment. Now where I am interested to take the trade, I am very much interested to take the trade at this point. Okay, and I forgot to mention the one important point here. This is the supply zone here. Why this is the supply zone? From this point the price is moving downwards, so this is the supply zone here. So where I am interested in Bank Nifty, please mark these levels in your chart and see how the price is acting at these areas. So I wanted to be bearish at the area of 45,650 around. That means 45,700. This exact line I want to be bearish. The reason is, when the price rejected from these two levels, the traders who trade the gap orders will enter the market, and the traders who trade the virgin CPR will enter the market, and again the traders who trade the CPR system will enter the market. The combination, the power of confluence takes place, and there are higher chances to move the price in a bearish move. When this happens, it should open around here and make a bearish candle. Now again, I'm also interested to be bearish at this area, but what I suggest here is, when you are bearish at this area with good risk reward, when you are there is an immediate support here. Okay, there may be the price take support here or break this area. We can't take anything granted in the market. What we should do is, we have to take care of ourselves and our money. So if you enter at this point, considering the principle of risk reward in this sense, risk less, get reward, more reward, less reward, sorry, less risk, more reward. So if you enter at this point and it gives you profit, please get out of the trade at this moment. Okay, then you are going to get some minimum profits here. Now the third one here is, when it opens gap down, there are higher chances to open the gap down, because the trend is in the downtrend. Okay, now I'm not interested to short it at this area, because there is an immediate virgin CPR here. This is how I do the pre-market analysis every day. The first important area I am looking to take the trade is this 45,700 around. During the live market, maybe these could change, but I say that entering at this area will give you great risk reward. Now let's go to the Nifty charts. Okay, this is the swing high. Okay, this is the swing high and the all-time high, and this is the swing low. Red line is the swing low, and swing highs, swing lows, gap borders should be marked on daily time frames. So this is the gap that has happened today, so I have marked the gaps. Now see 20 mm, if at all the price comes at this area, as I told you in the Banknifty chart, there are two ways the price could go. Like if it comes here, there is a chance to take support at the 20 MA and moves like this, and there is a chance to break through the 20 MA and moves like this. Be cautious tomorrow, because these days are trend changing days. Okay, now let's go to the 30-minute time frame so that I could explain these levels clearly. Why I am using the 30-minute time frame? Because in the 30-minute time frame we have more exposure to the back days. Okay, we have more exposure to the back days, so that we can mark the virgin CPR, the gap borders, the demand and supply zones. That is why I always use the 30-minute time frame. Now, this is the gap border from today, that is 20th September, and this is the virgin CPR here. Now, this is also a supply zone, because the price is getting rejected and made a bearish move from this area. Okay, and now the virgin CPR, again the virgin CPR here is this, and this is the demand zone. Why? I'll show you why this is the demand zone. Because it is taking support at this area and again making a bullish move. So I consider this, as per the system, this is a demand zone, and where I am interested to take the trade. Okay, according to the system suggests that we have to be bearish at these three levels. Okay, and if at all it is opening gap down, I have to take the trade at this level, but there is an immediate virgin CPR. I'm not interested to take the trade here. We can take the trade at this level, like 20,000 level, which is a psychological round figure level. If it is making bearish candle and closes below this area, we can take the trade, because there is an immediate resistances, strong resistances like a gap border and virgin CPR, and I am very interested to take the trade at this area. And also we can take the trade, but considering this demand zone, okay, when you take the trade at this point, if you have the right entry and the right stop loss, you have to take your profits at this area. Okay, because there can two things can be happen. It could break this level or it can bounce back. We have to play the set time. That means when you enter here, if you take your profits at this point, this is sure that you are getting the profits. Okay, this is unsure. If it is coming here making a support over there, that is unsure. You don't know whether it takes your goes and takes your stop loss, or just goes still here and comes like this. You don't know anything. So I always play the set time, and whenever I got 20% out of my uh, overall capital, invested capital, I would like to stay away from the markets. This is how I operate. And if you are watching this video till now, I know that you like my content. You can attend my free webinar where I can tell you some powerful insights about the CPR pivot points. If you like that one, you can you can upgrade, or you can take my paid version, which is the Day Trading Money Blueprint Level 1 course, where I am explaining every single concept which I have done in the pre-market analysis. The complete CPR pivot points, gap borders, swing highs, swing lows, virgin CPR, everything, what not. You are going to get in the Level 1 course, which is Day Trading Money Blueprint. And I have also launched a website here. This is a new update. See, this is my website. I'm going to give this link in the description section. Where is it? I missed it. Just wait a moment. Where is it? Yeah. Here is my new website here. Okay, this is my new website, and I have webinars here. Okay, I have already created a demo class today. I have a webinar here, and here also 7 steps to consistent profitable day trading, and I have courses here where you can register for these courses. If you pay you can get access about this courses. And I have some digital products also here, like I have the charts of July Nifty charts. Okay, you can download from here June Nifty charts, and this month onwards I'm going to uh, I'm going to place every month's back charts for back testing here. As you are my subscribers, you can come here and download every single chart, and this process will continue forever. Okay, this is my website, and I'm going to post some new updates every single day or the frequent consecutive days. And thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like the content, please share this in your community and subscribe my channel. Thank you.